Hello everyone, my name is Stef and welcome to this video about Alpaca Finance. How much money I've made and how much I have invested, what's my view of Alpaca and my strategy of Alpaca Finance, and some technical analysis and some fundamental analysis and also roadmap update of Alpaca. First, this is not a financial advice, do your own research, and if you like this video, share it with your friends and also comment below. So let's first start. Alpaca Finance, I have logged approximately 16,300. In these 3 weeks I've made 360 tokens and I've relocated, and my strategy is as long as the price is ranging, I'm looking it, and the end of the month, end of the year, I'll make 5,777. Let's say worst case is 0.3. I will make my money in 12 years. Best case 577 multiplied by 1.3. I will make it in a 1.5 year. The most optimistic case is 577 multiplied by 3.2. If it goes, and I'll make it in a 1 year, my initial investment plus and a half. And the most optimistic is that Alpaca Finance will go to $16 to $13. So let's say this is the low, $13 to $36. So if it goes there, it will be really nice, but let's see, we cannot predict the future. But right now Alpaca Finance is in a sideways range. The lowest low is 3.3, the mid range is 1.32, and the highest is 3.25. So currently the Alpaca Finance is a sideways range and we cannot see any capitulation, just that the volume of selling is decreasing and the buying volume is increasing, but there is no trend reversal yet. And also, as you can see, we have on the weekly nice decreasing of bearish momentum, but we don't see anything else positive of price action. So support from 0.33 to 0.48 is the logical support, and below that, I don't know, 1.44. so I don't know if you go that low, but based on technicals we can go to that. So right now I'm not panicking. I'm just seeing at the price that it is, and I'm just looking and make this calculation based on optimal, realistic, and also very bearish scenario. And the most bearish scenario is probably 0.11, which is, I don't know if it will go, but based on the fundamentals and also the price action, I don't see right now becoming down. So Alpaca Finance made a really nice spreadsheet where they say that their protocol earnings based on their ratio, and if Alpaca Finance was a company, it will be undervalued, and the average of that is 84. So Alpaca Finance, Yearn, Maker, and BenQ are undervalued, and also Aave and Alpha Finance are overvalued. You can go on their Twitter page and see what this spreadsheet is, and you can make your own conclusion.
2 hours later.
My conclusion is that they are all undervalued, but they need really nice marketing, and they need to shift their focus on their platform, not on some like they said about gaming. I'm not a fan of that because I think the gaming is not the future, but that's my opinion. My thing is that they need to focus on adding more leverage, adding more borrowing assets, because if you look at the competition, you will see that they add more tokens to their landing page and they have increased TVL. So yeah, I'm bullish on Alpaca Finance based on their protocol revenue and It's undervalued, and my strategy is to restake until the price increase. And my time horizon for this is approximately 3 to 4 years based on my math, and that's it. So if you like this video, share it with your friends and also subscribe to my channel. See you!